I'm now going to continue my video series on remote control symbols with this one. This is yet another one you need to know. This will appear on CD players and DVD players as well. It's what they call the repeat symbol. Okay? Now, let's say you wanted to play a song and you wanted to play it over and over again. If you do, you would press this symbol. Now, often, and I'll have to take a look at this, it would show up more on your screen than it would actually show up on your remote. But what you can do is, this is also known as a shuffle symbol. So it may be not just a repeat symbol, but it may be a shuffle symbol as well. And sometimes you'll actually see this funky symbol. So you may see repeat and shuffle at the same time. Okay? And what that means is it's shuffling through all your songs. So what will happen is it won't repeat the one song, it'll just repeat the whole playlist. In other words, when the playlist is over with, it's going to start all over again and play that playlist once again. So it's not repeating just one song, it's repeating one playlist. So you'll see that symbol and you'll see this one as well. And now you know. Alright. If you've been observing the upper right corner of your screen, you probably saw a box. If you click on that box, it will take you to the very next lesson. I want to thank you very much for tuning in. I will tell you more in a future video, so I'd like for you to stay tuned.